What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Raven skin from Fortnite Season 6. Let's get started in the center of a page with the inside edge of the hood. We start right in the middle. Let's start with a point. From here we draw a straight angled line going up and out towards the left. Go back to the center, angle this up and out towards the right, towards the same height. Now from here we're going to draw the hair coming down along the side of the head. Let's start from the top left. I'm just going to bend this out. Then bend that back in. Let's go to the right side, curve in the opposite direction, going out and then in. And then we'll bend the hair coming back down towards the bottom. Just going to round out the top and then bring that down. Let's go back up to the top, curve the hair going out a little bit wider and come down the side. And it'll taper the hair coming down towards that bottom point. So the space is going to get narrower as it comes in and then down. Now we're going to go back up and layer the eyes in behind that center point and the side of the hair. Let's start over on the left, curve this down and out with a short line, and then line this up on the right. Now going back to the left, we're going to curve the eye going up and out in behind the hair. Let's go back to the inside, curve the eye coming down and then out towards the side. Let's go back to that center point, draw a straight line coming down towards the edge of the mask. Now from here I'm just going to draw a straight angled line going up and out just underneath the left eye. And do the same thing on the right. And then from the ends, angle down and out in behind the hair. Let's move to the center and draw on the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, curve the mouth coming down, and then up. And then from the center, step up, draw a straight angle line going up towards the left and right. And then from the left side, curve the lip coming down and out. Let's add in the lower lip, starting back over on the left, curve down the middle, and then back up. And then just underneath the lip in the center, draw a small circle. Let's go back out to the side and round up the inside of the hood. Starting from the side of the hair, curve the hood coming down and then out. Go to the right side and do the same thing. And we'll connect the ends with a curve coming down in the middle. We'll go in behind the hair. Continue along the inside. It's going to round up the chin. Pull that up. Continue that up and out on the right. Let's trace the hood along the outside. From that center point, we'll step up, draw that straight angle line going out toward the left, and then the right. And we'll just work our way around the side of the head, and down, and bending that out. And we'll close off the bottom. Let's go back to the center, draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top of the head, to right about there. Now we're going to work our way around the side of the head. Starting from the top, just going to bend this out toward the left, round up the head, and then pull that down. Now we want to make our way back down and out towards that outside point. So come straight down, and then bend that out. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start by drawing two circles underneath the head, starting on the left, curve this out, down, and then back up. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's trace each of those circles along the inside. Let's go to the bottom outside edge of that circle, draw a straight line coming down, and then bend that out towards the hip on either side. And we'll add another circle along the hips, starting on the left, coming in, and then out. And then we'll trace each of those circles along the inside. Let's move to the center and draw another circle, starting from the top, go all the way around. And then again, we're just going to trace that out along the inside. Now I'm going to draw a small circle in between. Start on the left, and then do the same thing on the right. Let's go back out to the side of the hip, curve the body coming down, and then in towards the middle, then just out and up. Let's add a little bit more detail to the body. From the inside of the top circles, angle down and in towards the middle, draw a straight line coming down just up above that center circle. And then from the bottom of that line, angle down and out towards the left and right. And we'll continue that line coming down along the bottom. Let's step down, just trace this going back up on either side. Now I'm going to go back to the center, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the center line, start with the left, curving down and then up, and go over towards the right. Now we want to round out the top of the feet. Let's start on the left, curve the foot going up, and bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the hips, round up the leg, going out, down, and then in on top of the foot. Now I want to show that this belt wraps around the body. So from the left side, we're going to step up, draw a half circle, going out and then back in. Let's go back down to the bottom of the foot, curve this up and in, taper that back out and down towards the bottom of the foot. Now I'm going to go back up and draw the edge of the boot, starting right in the middle, curve this out and up toward the left and right side, angle this down and out. Let's trace this along the bottom, stepping down, going up, coming in towards the middle, and work our way towards the right. Let's add a simple knee pad along the side, starting on the left, go straight in, line this up on the right, and from the inside, curve down and back out. Now we're going to go back up and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist, line this up on the right, do the same thing. Now we're going to go back to the left side, draw a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add in those three fingers. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, curve down, and then up around that bracket, step down, go out, and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, round up the arm, and just pull that up and in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's connect the top of the thumb to the outside of the first finger with a curve, going out and then down. And then from that same point, curve this up and out. And then from the top of the arm on the inside, we'll step down, draw the glove, curving up and then out. Let's add another circle on the back of the hand, going all the way around. And we'll trace those circles along the inside. Now we're going to go back up and draw the edge of the cape, starting from the outside of the hair, curve this up and out. Now we want to show that the cape comes down in behind the body. Let's start underneath the index finger on the left, come down, and then that out. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the bottom, curve the cape going up and in toward the side of the leg. Line this up on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's the Raven skin from Fortnite Season 6. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.